Let me show you how to delete an SSH key from your local machine. Now let's get started. You can delete the keys directly from the user's home directory. Delete the .ssh file. You can also use git bash. In the command line, the cd command is used to change the current working directory, also known as the current directory. The tilde character is a shortcut that represents the user's home directory. LSLA is a command that is used to list the files and directories in a directory. Let's remove the .ssh file. rmrf.ssh is a command that is used to delete the .ssh directory and all its contents. It has been successfully deleted, as you can see. Thank you for watching.